Hello, my name is Kenneth Wang, and today I'll be going over the second part of this question that we did previously. I'll start by reading off. Part B asks us, what happens after they collide? So, as we previously calculated in the video before, we calculated the momentum of each cart that before the collision was both 1200 kg times meters per second squared. So this is for both of them. So one of them was going to the right, one of them was going to the left. So if they both have the same amount of momentum and they're both colliding at the same time, and it's the same, right? They're gonna cancel each other out. So we have 1200 to the right, 1200 to the left. The final momentum after the collision of the two cars is going to be 0. So what does that mean? So after the final momentum is 0, they're just going to be there, standing still. So it's a little anticlimactic. They're just going to hit each other and immediately stop. So I'm going to write that down and you also have to give reasoning in your answers. So I'll say off that you can show your calculations that because the final momentum of each car is 0, both cars will come to a rest or stop. But we used rest when we're in physics. And that is part B of this question answered.